Welcome to this week's Grill vs. Grill for the Pennzoil 400 in Las Vegas. What's that known for? Breakfast buffets. On the grill, bacon, pancakes, steak, potatoes, all sorts of stuff. What's the bet we're going with? How about Ross Chastain, top 5, plus 220 at Caesars. He's got 3 top 5s in 4 races here in the next-gen car. Bank it.
We partied all night, and now it's time for breakfast. Nothing says hangover food like a good plate of chicken and waffles. Christopher Bell, finishing the top 5 in both Vegas races last year. Give me another at plus 160.